How to remove the Peugeot 508 door handle, and in the process we will also need to remove the door panel. I will show you the end first. As you can see, when you remove the door handle, it won't come out because the cable runs into the door panel, so that's why you'll need to remove the door panel as well. On the inside there will be this little piece here which you... Next, on the door pull handle, we'll need to remove this little cover over here with a very thin tool. Get in between the cover and the door pull handle and then gently pull on the cover, as it's only held on by clips and can break, and you just want to go along removing the cover. And on the inside you can see over here the clips. I like to do this from the bottom so you do not damage anything towards the top where it's more visible. Now there will be two torque screws, one over here and then one towards the top of the door pull handle. Next to the bottom there is the courtesy light. With your tool, get in between this part and then it will come out, and then unplug the courtesy light. For the window switch, get in between from the back of the window switch with a plastic tool, as there's a clip over there and there's two clips on either side towards the front of the switch, one over there and one over there. So get in between from the back first, unplug the switch, next you'll want to start from the bottom of the door panel and then pull the bottom out first, and it's only held on by clips, and these clips can break. Even if you use a specialized clip remover, they can still break. So pull the bottom out first and then slide the door panel upwards to detach it from the window sill. If you have found this video helpful so far, please don't forget to subscribe. Now that we have the door panel out of the way, this inner soundproofing cover, just cut it with a razor, and then you'll need to unplug the door handle cable and plug, as you can see in the video, and then you'll need to unhinge. Next, when you open the door, on the inside there'll be a little cover, and underneath there will be a torque screw. Unscrew the torque screw, and then from the outside, when you're pulling onto the door handle, the key lock barrel, you'll need to wriggle it out. You can first remove the outer cover, so keep pulling onto the door handle and then get in between the key lock barrel and then slide it out. Close the door handle and then you'll need to slide it back and then pull it out from that side first, and then as you can see, now it comes out with the cable and the plug. Without removing the door panel you can't do this. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.